third annual Humane Lobby Day. We have some really important bills that we are lobbying today to end cruelty to animals. A really important one is said on our hats. We want to stop the egregious practice of fox hunting. It's Virginia's last blood sport. It has no place here in this Commonwealth. And I am thrilled that we have our brave patron of our fox hunting bill, Senator Dave Marsden, here to send us off and get us excited about this bill.
Okay, great. Thank you. Thank you. Can everybody hear me okay? Well, you know, I was concerned because, you know, we've had 5,000 foxes in the past, what, how many years? 3, 4 years disappear into these pens. And nobody from the fox penning industry or the hound hunting industry can tell me what happened to them, because certainly none of them have ever really witnessed a fox being killed by a dog. But we've had a new study released from Virginia Tech, which relieves me because I now know that they're not being abducted by aliens. It seems that in the trial that they did, and it's 9 years old, but they released foxes into a pen and found that 50% of them died very quickly in trial-related activities. The next 40% died over the next 18 months from undetermined purposes, but there are dogs running in those pens every day whether there's a contest or not. And certainly some of them died from old age or disease. 10% survived the 18 months. This is unacceptable. We cannot continue to treat the wildlife that belongs to you, that belongs to me, that belongs to all Virginians, and allow the ruse to say that we're not really buying and selling them, we're paying a trapper for his time and expense. That doesn't work for drug deals, and it's not going to work for our wild animals. You keep up the fight, we'll keep up the fight here. We're making progress. It's a new day here in Virginia. We have a new administration, a new Attorney General. I have a Republican ally now on the House side who's chairman of courts, who's introducing a bill that's saying introducing animals into a pen for any financial purpose is a crime. And I think we're starting to make progress. Rome was never built in a day. We're going to win this fight. This is going to be a significant year. And thank you very, very much for taking the time out of your lives to come here and help me do this, because it's your fight and it's my fight. Let's do it together. Thank you.
Thank you, Senator. All right, guys, so now we're going to have some fun. Okay, so raise your hand if you know how to do the electric slide. Awesome. I want you guys kind of in the middle here, so come on over. You know, Nadine, I saw you raise your hand, girl. Get over here. All right, come on. Come on, be brave. Jessica's gonna show us how it's done. Okay, you have two options. You can dance or you can chant. So if you're not dancing, you're a chanter. And Kelsey and Elise here are gonna let us know when you should chant. Our two phrases are, fences aren't fair, and the other phrase is, take the fences down. So now we are going to do the electric slide to the song, What Does the Fox Say? And when the refrain when they ask the question. So don't worry, we'll do this a couple times before we get it right, but we're having fun. That's what today is all about. Yeah. All right, so cue the music. Oh, yeah. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go!
half of it. That's so much better.
We could use some more dancers in the time. I know.
Yeah.
Come on, here's my dance. Working out. Where's the music? I don't know it.
We're ready.
Just dance. Okay, you're leading us off, Jessica.
Okay, get up there.
All right, here we go. Round 2.
There you go, Chris. Just dance, Chris.
Fences aren't fair! 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 Take the fences down! 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 It's coming. Keep Fences aren't fair! 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 Take the fences down! 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 Alright, to the house. Sorry, thank you. I'm really loud without this. If you're going to the house, where's Shannon? Right here. Okay, here's Shannon. Shannon, come over here so people can see you. If you volunteered to go to the house chamber, here's Shannon. Come on over. And Kelsey's going too. And then if you're going to the Senate, here's Jessica with ASPCA. Come grab Jessica. And they're going to take you over to the Capitol. Otherwise, please grab lunch. There's lunch in the 6th floor cafeteria, or there's also lunch in the Capitol.